Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Miss Rosana, 29 years old. I have 5 children. Their age is 11, 7, 5, 3, and 6 months old. I have lived partner for almost 13 years and I'm associate graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go Hong Kong because I want to give a better future for my family.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, but I have experience here in the Philippines for almost 2 years and 1 month as a helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning the house, and wash dishes and washing clothes.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, I'm 1 years old and 6 months.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
Changing diaper, changing clothes, and feeding.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills is I know how to cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn the Chinese food.
Aside from taking care of, what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Trustworthy, honest, and loyal.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, madam and sir. If you choose me, I'm trustworthy, honest, loyal, and hardworking. See you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.